In this video, you are going to see how to insert cone shape in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to insert, go to shape, and you will see there is no exact cone shape over here. We can apply our trick. Let us choose this triangle shape and drag it over here like this. Now go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, you can choose a fill color of your choice. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick an oval shape and draw it like this. Now go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill and choose the same fill color. Increase its size little bit. Click on over here and using your arrow key you may adjust it like this. Now if you want to change the color or anything or add the effect, select this shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select the triangle. Go to shape format, go to group, click on group. Now you can move it anywhere. If you want, you may change the fill color add-ons, and if you want to add the effect, you can add it from here. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.